Yep. Yuck.
Yuck. Then don't eat it. No. Now it's Chloe's got food everywhere in her hair.
No. Yep.
Why do you keep doing it? No. No. I was going to kiss you, you silly boy. Oh, yeah. Oh. Don't get it in my eye. It hurts. No. That's not funny. No. You can put it in my mouth. No. But not my eye.
What?
I don't want to bite. Let me get me a taste. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. Mommy's done. Why don't you see if Daddy wants a bite?
Daddy don't want none.
Yeah, you made a mess. There, we'll clean it up. You see something? No. Daddy wants a bite. Daddy told me he wanted a bite.
Daddy don't want none. No.